Ever wonder how your phone charger just works? It's not magic, it's voltage. Think of electricity like water in a pipe. The pressure pushing that water forward. That's voltage, more pressure, more push. This idea dates back to 1800. Italian physicist Alessandro Volta stacked metal discs to create the first chemical battery, the voltaic pile. That's where we get the term volt. The relationship is defined by Ohm's law. Voltage equals current times resistance. It's the fundamental rule that governs how electricity behaves. You see voltage everywhere. 5 volts for your USB devices, 12 volts in your car, and a powerful 220 volts in your home's outlets. A quick warning, high voltage is dangerous, so always be careful. So, what's the difference between a volt and an amp? Imagine 2 water tanks. Voltage is the water * pressure *. Amperage is the * volume * of water flowing. You need both, but they do different jobs. Voltage, it's the push that powers our world.